Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a BMW E46 guys. This is the 3 Series generation from 1998 to 2006. And if you need to find guys the fuse for your secondary air pump, stay with us and we'll show you guys where it's located. We will guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let me open the hood and I'll show you where your secondary air pump is located now. Okay, and also we'll show you where the fuse is as well. So opening the hood, this is the straight 6-cylinder engine here guys. This is your secondary air pump. Now I'm going to go inside and show you where the fuse is located. Okay, this is the fuse that you need to check if your pump is not working. It will be right behind the glove box. Okay, let me adjust the light here so you can see a little bit better. Open your glove box, remove, okay, you can see those, you need to twist them like that. Drop it down, okay, and the fuse that we're looking at for the secondary air pump, okay, it's a very big fuse guys. And this one will be fuse number 36. Looking at the fuse box, okay, fuse number 36. It's a 50 amp fuse and it is this huge fuse right here. This is for your secondary air pump guys. This one, usually if you grab it and shake it a little bit, eventually it comes out. You can check out guys in the description of the video below to see where we get our fuses, replacement fuses and all that will be listed there. You can see that this fuse is definitely a good fuse, otherwise that element will be burnt and you will notice that it's burnt. In our case it's a good fuse. So if the fuse is good, okay, you need to check relays and secondary air pump. We have the video guys how to test your secondary air pump on our channel. So when you are ready, all you have to do, close that and close the glove box. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.